So I just made pancakes, and whenever you guys see pancakes on Instagram, Lindsay usually makes them, but I like them smaller, so that one is the first one. That's pretty small, but you can't really tell. Okay, there's the plate, so you kind of tell that they are small. So these are the chocolate chips that we use. Seriously, they are the best because See's Candy uses this company, and so pretty much when you're eating this, it's like a chocolate bar at See's. So we have like a whole bunch of chocolate chips in our pancakes. Okay, so this is the pan that I used, and this is my spatula. It's a skull spatula. I got this at Marshall's. Anyways, this is the pancake dough, or mix, and Krusty's is the best. Like, I can't think of any other brands, but that one's like so good, so great. So yesterday, we made red velvet cupcakes. Look how good they are. I mean, they look really pretty. And then under there is an apple pie. We have a lot of sweets. So I'm going to go nom on these pancakes, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye!